Good morning everyone. Myself Vanya from class 7 of D.A.V group of schools. Today I am going to show a very magical experiment to you all. So the items required for the experiment is a transparent medium of glass, this a paper on which these two arrows has been drawn, and also some water. So the first step is that we have to pour some water into the medium of glass, and now we have to put this sheet behind the glass, and now you can see that the direction of the arrows has been changed. This happened due to natural phenomena or refraction. What is refraction? Refraction is the bending of light of the direction, and also a very natural and nature phenomena like the rainbow. You can also try this beautiful experiment at your home. Thank you.